Okay, I have Hyundai Elantra and willing to change this cabin air filter. This is the top quality cabin air filter right now I found, which is expensive, like $54, but it is still cheaper than the Hyundai service people. They quoted me $130 to change this one. Of course, they use Hyundai and they may say like, oh, there's better. This one is the Ryko Micro Shield one, which is not bad. It filters out everything: antiviral, antibacterial, anti-mold, pollen, dust, dirt, everything. Okay, so this is the filter. To change this filter, maybe just open the cabin here, and in the cabin you will find similar unlocking screws or something, and then once you unlock them from there, you can take it out basically, um, so this one is still not unlocked. From there it simply opens up. Okay, so also one more thing, underneath of this cabin you will find this kind of pulling, I don't know what do we call this thing, plastic things, you just pull it out to unlock it, and basically when you drop it, it will comes up. Okay, sometimes it can be trickier. You can open and then pull out, and you see now I have enough room to change the filter. So behind that, if I put my hand, okay, so this thing needs to be opened up. Simply open like this. Oops, sorry. So open like that. So there would be a filter which needs to come out. So I just pull it out. Okay, and you see how dirty the filter is. Oh, that's a mess. And to replace this filter, first before I replace, I just compare. Okay, and you can see here there are some spiders and all, which is also a nuisance here in Australia. But anyways, it says this is up. Believe me or not, this is heavy. This is very lightweight. Okay, it says up, so that's what you have to do. Simply put it in. Oops. Okay, once you tuck it in, it's easy to go, and make sure it's from inside. Now you have to just tuck the cover in. Okay, it is very awkward recording the video at the same time replacing with one hand, but hope you understand if I don't cover any part. So once you feel the click sound, that's it, it's locked. Now what you have to do is maybe just close this one. Okay, you need to fix this underneath. Okay, okay, I will fix it. And same way you have to open, fix this thing on the side. Okay, finally it's in, so I just lock it in place. And the second one, so second one also will go in like this and lift the cabin up. Okay, now it's in, just lock it. Once it's locked, everything is done. You can see here this part now becomes easy to tuck it in. Okay, so now you can check, and it's perfectly working. So that's how you can change the cabin air filter. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.